Hi everyone, in this video we will try to make our Instagram story icon smaller. So first go ahead in your Instagram app, and as you can see, this icons here or story icons has been changed to a bigger size. So for us to make it smaller again, now basically this is the thing that we can do for now. Let's go to our Instagram app and open our profile icon on the bottom right on our phone. Tap on it and then tap the three horizontal lines on the upper right. Tap on settings and privacy, the first option. So tap on it, and then all you have to do is to scroll down and then tap on the word help. So you can see that on the bottom part of your Instagram application. So here under more info and support. So once you're in there, all you have to do is just to write down the problem or report a problem that you want to make your icons back to its smaller size. And then you can also attach here a screenshot or a photo of what you want to be fixed. And note that once they receive this report, you have to wait for 14 days or less or more than that for them to resolve your problem. However, once this will be updated, I will let you know soon. So don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates to come. Thanks for watching.